What's up guys, Upward here, and this is Whilelab YouTube channel. Here we are with day 16 of 30 days of code, and in today's video we are covering exceptions string to integer. Okay, so the objective is to read a string. Okay, we'll be getting a string, we should parse it into an integer, and if it has no numbers in it, then we print bad string. So if there is a number, we print the number. If there is no numbers, we'll get an error. We expect that and or instead of raising an error, we expect the error and print instead bad string. So let me show you what does that mean. If we did just print integer of a string, okay, or of the s variable, and run the code, what would happen is if s does not have any numbers, we will get this error. Okay, this error is invalid literal for integer with base 10 because ZA it couldn't extract any numbers from it. So what we will do is create a try. Okay, so I want you to focus on something, which is this is the error name. Okay, so if we come here, we can create something called try except statement. So if we try, so we are telling the program, so try do this, okay, which is print an integerized version of the s or of the string. Now if you tried this and if it worked, awesome, that's great, go on and skip that. Okay, so if this passed, it will run this and go run the next block of code. Now if this didn't work, I want you to expect, okay, or accept, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, except, okay, to accept this error, which is we faced here, which is the value error because it doesn't have integers or numbers. So we'll accept the value error. So yo software accept value error. So try this, accept value error, print bad string. So for everything do this, unless it's value error, do this. Okay, so it's something like this. It's like an if statement but much cooler. It's not cooler, but like it has its own uses. I'm not sure. Anyway, so let's run the code. Nice, let's submit the code. Congratulations guys. So yeah, that's it. It's a very simple episode. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to check the playlist of 30 days of code, and don't forget to hit the like button, and see you in the next one. Peace out.